Have you ever looked at a piece of technology and realized in an instant that the rules of the game just changed forever? For years, we've been told that if you want professional cinematic aerial footage, you have to carry a heavy backpack, register a drone with the FAA, pass a pilot exam, and navigate complex dual-stick controllers that feel like flying an F-16 fighter jet. But right now, we are standing on the edge of a massive shift. The gadget in my hands is about to make all of those traditional drones look like ancient history. This is the DJI Neo 3, and it is not just an upgrade. It is a complete rewrite of how we capture our lives. By the end of this video, you are going to understand exactly why this tiny device is causing massive panic among traditional camera manufacturers, how it solves the biggest headaches of modern content creation, and most importantly, the one secret flaw DJI desperately hopes you won't notice before you hit that buy button. To understand why the Neo 3 is such a big deal, we have to look at what came before it and the massive problem creators have faced for years. If you wanted to film yourself running, biking, or just walking through a scenic city, you had two bad options. You could buy an expensive action camera on a selfie stick, which keeps your arm permanently tired and limits your angles. Or you could buy a drone. But traditional drones require you to stop what you are doing, set up a controller, calibrate GPS, and manually fly it while trying to look natural. The moment you look at a controller, the raw, authentic emotion of your video is dead. The original DJI Neo tried to fix this with simple palm takeoff and basic tracking. And while the Neo 2 brought us better stabilization and obstacle sensing, it still felt like a stepping stone. It still had limits that kept it from being a true, everyday cinematic companion. That brings us to the Neo 3. DJI did not just iterate with this model. They listened to every single complaint from the first two generations and engineered a device that feels less like a piece of plastic and more like a loyal, invisible camera crew following your every move. Let's start with the physical design, because that is the very first thing that will shock you when you take it out of the box. It is incredibly light. We are talking about a weight that is so minimal, you can slip it into your jacket pocket and literally forget it is there. But don't let that tiny footprint fool you. DJI has redesigned the entire chassis with a brand new thermal-efficient open-grill propeller guard system. If you have ever flown a small indoor drone, you know they tend to overheat quickly because there isn't enough airflow moving over the internal processors. By opening up the guard design, DJI has not only made the drone much more aerodynamic in high winds, but they've also allowed the heat to dissipate instantly. This means you can fly longer, harder, and in much hotter climates without the fear of the drone suddenly dropping out of the sky due to thermal throttling. But the real magic, the engine that drives this entire experience, is the camera sensor. On paper, many budget drones claim to shoot in 4K, but anyone who knows cameras knows that resolution is only half the story. The real secret lies in the frame rate, the sensor size, and the processing pipeline. The Neo 3 completely shatters expectations by introducing a stunning 4K camera capable of shooting at an ultra-smooth 120 frames per second. Think about what that actually means for your footage. When you are running down a mountain trail, surfing a wave, or even just skating down a city street, standard 30 or 60 frames